Magandang gabi, quick video for today. Somebody sa comment section sa akong bisdakvlagger, which is my English vlog, told me that they prefer the audio of the DJI Mic Mini, which is this one here, compared to the other microphone na akong mentioned, which is the Hollyland Lark Max 2. As for the quality, it's really subjective. Depende ra gid nimo. If your voice is very good with this microphone, then it would really work on that microphone. If your voice is not good with the preferred microphone that I wanted, then it's not good. Might as well choose the other one. So atong ipilian karon is this two here, the DJI Mic Mini and the Lark Max 2. The thing is, this should be kind of compared to DJI Mic 2, because the thing is, this records and pwede siya malav mic. So the main differences na ma-prefer gid nimo is that with this one, this records 32-bit audio, which you can edit later. You can plug in a lavalier mic here, compared to this na wala na kay lavalier mic. You have to use only this, and it does not record. So whatever comes to your camera, that's the only audio that you're gonna use for this one. So yeah, there's that. Somebody tried to compare somebody tried to compare this. Mas ganahan daw siya ani. Well, the thing is, for audio quality, if you prefer that for the audio quality, yeah, it's really subjective. It's up to you. But if you think ingon man siya nga mas gamay daw ni siya, mas compact, so I'll just show you. In here, you see kung imo na siyang i-clip sa sinina, kani siya naga protrude gawas. Kani ubos kayo, lawom kay siya. And if you look at the back, so muni makita sa outer sa clothes, just like here. So kani siya murag dili microphone, murag wala ra kay makita. Nice kay ba? So look at that. It's really good. So kung ato ni siyang tuyukon, look at that. Flushed kay siya, tago gid siya. Kini kay halfway there. So kung dili kay nimo may pagabutang, this looks lousy. This is not compact. And although di lagi nimo siya ma-compare duha, I'll just show you the size difference. If you look at it here, look at that. So mas dako tanaw ng Hollyland, but if you put it like that, kamana siyang difference. And if you rotate it to the sides, mas nipis pa ang Hollyland Lark Max 2 compared aning kuan Mic Mini. Look at that. And ang yung clip, hidden, deep clip, kani siya dili. So if you're gonna say nga mas compact ni siya, mas nice, I don't agree. I think this is much more hidden, much more better. Mas nindot ang yung clip, it's much more hidden. The only thing is, this costs more. So yeah, that's a problem. And if di ka ganan sa audio ani, I really like the audio ani. If di ka ganan sa audio ani, then might as well stick with this. If you like the audio here, yeah, just do this, or the DJI Mic 2. But again, compare ni nako siya sa DJI Mic 2, I'd go for this because again, flushed, so light, nindot. And the thing is, napukoy usa ka di ganahan niya is that if you're traveling and nalimtan nimo ang receiver, nalimtan nimo ang recorder, ang receiver sa audio. No. Taka naman ko, nalimtan mo ang charging case. So dili ka, wala kay charging case ani niya, dili ka ka-charge kay wala siya USB-C sa ilalom. Look at that. So you would need either the charging case or kani siyang dock. If you didn't buy it as kuan, you have the dock. This is the dock, so you can charge the USB-C here. And pwede na ka maka-charge. But if you leave this, kani siya mahotag battery, wala ni siya gamit. I was using this for my Osmo Pocket 3, and I kind of left this one at home. So kani siya mahotag battery, wala na gamit. Might as well bring the DJI Mic 2 as your lavalier mic. Kani siya, maski gamay ka siya, maski nipis siya, kaan kaayo. 32-bit recording. Naa siya USB-C nga riyo. Diba? Nasa USB-C diha nga ma-pluggan nimo. You can charge it. You can also remove the recorded audio here. And kung mahabili nimo ang imuhang kanang receiver, mo ni transmitter. Mahabili nimo receiver ani niya para mo send og audio. You can just use it as a standalone recorder. Press na nimo record nga ri, ma-record na nimo audio. Kani siya, kung wala ang receiver or wala kay kung makadawat sa audio, there's nothing. Though the price differs, this is a bit expensive, but again, I'm not sponsored or in any way. I'm not paid by them. I hope I am, but I'm not. Ako aning kwarta. I'm just here to inform. I prefer this. This is a very good. Yeah, very good. Ganaan sa gusto audio. So that's what we're using now. If you don't like the audio, batit kayo tingog, but yeah. So there's that. So take it with grain of salt. That's all.